National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for northern Kendall County until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Comfort, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
This is crazy. It's my Echo Dot.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for northern Kendall County until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over Comfort, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or
They're not in perfect sync, but they're pretty close.
roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Comfort, Sisterdale, Waring, Welfare, and Crown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to close a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And death stretching is your dollar. Sounds like my kind of place to namaste. I'm Tom Bodette and Will.
Whenever a tornado warning is issued for one of our 8 counties, it's going to activate on FM.